these are the few things I cannot do makeup without. Thought I'll share with you guys. The first one is my all-time favorite. It's a concealer from Benefit. Now I use it on myself and on my brides, but of course you need to have various colors for this. The other two is from Krylon, and then of course you have the Inglot Duraline, which is a bestseller. Now the other one, which is from Lit Cosmetics, I use it all the time for using, you know, my pigments or my glitters, and it works beautifully. Of course the other one is again the two-way gel, which is also a brilliant one. And then of course those who have seen me doing makeup will be surely recognize this product from Glow Recipe. I use it extensively on my clients and my brides, whether they have an oily skin or a dry skin or a matured skin. You can never go wrong with this. And then of course this, while doing makeup, I use it extensively.